Personal finance hacks plague the internet ever since the turn of the 21st century. But did you know some of these are practical enough and can be applied to your life? Here are 5 personal finance hacks to make you filthy rich. Number 5. Avoid debt. Debt is a bad habit that is challenging to kick once you get started. There are, in our opinion, 2 types of debt. Very bad debt. I need money but want a new Louis Vuitton bag, a luxury car, and a vacation that I can't afford. For that, let's get a loan or charge them to my brand new, sparkling credit card. This debt is absolutely terrible. You can't have it if you can't afford it. That's all there is to it. Work harder if you truly want it. Find a new job that pays more, start a side business, or increase your monthly savings by a little bit. Good-ish debt. Although having debt is always bad, there are some situations where it may actually be beneficial for your future finances. College loans. We must be cautious when it comes to student loans. Some people choose the most expensive course of study in human history and then dedicate the following 15 years of their lives to paying off their debt. Aim to choose a university that you can afford and limit your use of student loans. I realize it's not always possible, and it's certainly not the most glamorous option to attend a university close to home and live with your parents, but you have to weigh your advantages. In the end, taking out a student loan is an investment in your future, but you need to be careful and pick something that will pay off for you, either by finding a job that pays more or by learning a skill you're passionate about. Mortgage. Everyone needs a place to live, and the pros and cons of renting versus buying are frequently debated. There are compelling arguments for both, but I also believe that it is a matter of location and desired way of life. As much as I enjoy traveling the world and having my own space, I always feel the need to return home. A mortgage does appear to be a good way to leverage your money given the historically low interest rates we have experienced over the past 10 years, as most of us may find it challenging to make a cash purchase for a home. However, never forget that you need to buy a home you can afford and to stay within your means. Do you really need that lovely home with 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a sizable garden? Keep in mind that a large house requires a lot of furnishings, heating during the winter, and cooling during the summer. If you decide to buy a house, proceed with caution, because it may be the most expensive item you ever purchase. Additionally, if you're investing in real estate and rental properties, you can leverage your capital and deduct the mortgage interest from your profit. Business. You might want to start your own business and become an entrepreneur. You don't need to invest a fortune, and you can even launch a business without any capital, as the past teaches us. However, strategically investing a small amount of cash into your company could yield fantastic rewards and make you very happy. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to give us a like, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow and keep making more content that you love. Number 4. Put your retirement plan first. Retirement accounts are a good way to accumulate wealth for the future because they're typically invested in the stock market and therefore more likely to generate positive returns. Francis Lochner, the creator of thecostguys.com, suggests making an effort to contribute to your employer's retirement savings plan if one exists. Employers will make the same contribution to 401k plans as you do to your own account. If your employer doesn't offer you a retirement plan, you might want to think about an IRA. Number 3. Try affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a strategy used by bloggers, website owners, and social media influencers to market a third-party product by placing a link to it on their website or social media profile. According to Adam Wood, co-founder of Revenue Geeks, this generates income that can accumulate over time. The most well-known affiliate partner is Amazon, but there are other well-known companies as well, such as eBay, Awin, and ShareASale. Particularly among those attempting to develop an audience and market their goods, Instagram and TikTok have become more and more popular. Since you could theoretically make money by placing a link to your website or social media account, affiliate marketing is viewed as passive. Number 2. Increasing your savings. According to Sean Plummer, CEO of The Annuity Expert, with inflation and interest rates expected to increase in 2022, managing your personal budget will be even more crucial. Everyone, according to Plummer, should set a goal to increase their savings in 2022. After that, you can use this money to either reduce high-interest debt, put money aside for retirement, or just have more money in the bank. To do this, think about how you can cut costs to amass more savings. Number 1. Invest in REITs. A real estate investment trust, REIT, is an additional investment option and, in the words of Garrett Smith, CEO and founder of Property Tax Loan Pros, is a fancy moniker for a firm that owns and manages property. Due to the special legal structure of REITs, they can choose to distribute the majority of their profits to shareholders while still paying little to no corporate income tax. Any dividend that the REIT pays out would be yours to keep. The best REITs have a history of increasing their payout each year, so over time you might have a consistent flow of dividends. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, a brand new non-tradable digital good made possible by blockchain technology, are on the more contentious side of wealth creation. The metaverse and non-fungible tokens present the best opportunity for wealth creation, expansion, and maintenance. One of the most practical ways to increase your wealth in 2022 is to mint NFTs, hold them, and sell them off at a higher price.